Hello, welcome to your speaking test for Academy Stars 2, Unit 9 and 10. I am Teacher Maggie. How about you? Can you introduce yourself? What's your name?
My name is Nina.
And how old are you, Nina? Okay, and how are you today? Wow, that's nice to hear. So, are you ready with your speaking test? Yeah, so let's begin. Let's start with part one. So here, look at the picture, Nina. Let's start with the living room. Can you tell me what are the objects that you can see in the living room?
I can see this
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
table, the sofa.
Very good. Let's move on to the kitchen. What are the objects you can see in the kitchen?
I can see tissue,
Mm-hmm.
window,
Mm-hmm.
table,
Mm-hmm.
chairs,
Mm-hmm. And this is a refrigerator and cabinets. Okay, so let's remember refrigerator and cabinets. How about the bedrooms? What can you see in the bedroom?
I can see wardrobe,
Yes, a wardrobe. Very good. What else?
bed,
Bed.
lamp,
Mm-hmm.
window.
Very good. So last is the bathroom.
I can see table,
Mm-hmm. Okay, this is a sink.
tea,
Yeah, sink.
tub,
Okay, a bowl, bathtub,
bath, shower,
and
and
mirror. Okay, very good, Nina. Congratulations on the first part. So let's move on to the second part. What's this?
this
Stove.
stove,
Yes, can you say that again? Stove.
stove,
I can see stove.
this stove, in some kitchen.
Okay, can you move it in the kitchen? Okay, great job, Nina. Okay, next.
Television in the living room.
Very good. Can you move it? Very good, Nina. And this is
Bookcase.
bookcase. So where you can see a bookcase, Nina.
I can see
Okay, can you put it in the living room? Okay, good job. Next is
I can see
wardrobe.
wardrobe in the bedroom.
Okay, can you put it in the bedroom? Okay, very good, Nina. Next is,
I can see
yes, a tub or a bathtub in,
in the
yes, can you put it in the bathroom? Yes, and the last is,
I can
yes, so where we can see a lamp. Okay, very good, Nina. Great job. Okay, so let's move on to the third part of your speaking test. So here you can see four picture. So you will make a story. You will tell me a story using this picture. So for the first picture, this is Anna. This is Rose. Anna and Rose. So what can you say about the first picture? Mm-hmm. Went. Okay, and for the second picture, took a picture of. Okay, so can you say that again? Anna took a picture of. Okay, next. Rose fed the. Okay, good job. Next. Went home Went home happy. Very good. So for the last part of your speaking test, um, Nina, you will answer some personal questions. Okay. So the first question is, what is your favorite room in the house? Is the bedroom. Why do you like bedroom? Oh, wow. And where do you usually do your homework? Okay. I usually do my homework. Again, I usually do in the living room, bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, in the bedroom. So which one do you like? Watching TV or reading books? I like. Why do you like reading books? Is it fun? Is it boring? Oh, like it's fun. You like reading books because it's fun. Yes, can you say that again? I like. Yes, it's fun. It means you are happy when you are reading books. Yes, so that's fun. So can you tell me the different rooms in your house? What are the different rooms in your house? My house has living. Okay, so tell me the members of your family. How many members are you lives in your house? How many? Six. Okay, there are people in our house. In our house. Can you say that again? There are six people in my house. Okay, so where do you usually go out with your family? Where do you usually go out with your family? Do you go to the zoo? Do you go to the park, to the mall, to the supermarket? Yeah, yeah. My family go to. Okay, can you say that again? My family. Okay, and which one do you prefer? Which one do you prefer, going to the zoo or going to the playground? I like to the playground. Why do you like going to the playground? Mm, because it's fun. And are you happy? And I'm happy and happy. Can you say that again? I like going to the playground. Okay. And what is your favorite lesson in Academy Stars 2? Which one is your favorite? Is it about the food, about the traffic, about the different rooms in your house, animals, and what else? Weather and places in the community. So which one do you like? Lesson in Academy Stars 2 is about animals. Okay, very good, Nina. Okay, keep on practicing, but you did a great job. Job well done in your speaking test. So that's the end of your speaking test today. So goodbye. Yes, goodbye, and I'll see you again, Nina, on your next speaking test. Bye bye.